Hi, I am nobody. I am no guru. I am no one that's famous or considered important in today's society, but I am someone who is deeply connected to nature. And I am so grateful that we are in lockdown and we are forced to be introspective, to look at our inner child, our feelings, everything we don't want to look at, to look at what our heart really wants for our lives, to look at how society is really not going anywhere the way it's going, how we're not respecting the environment, respecting nature, respecting animals. I don't think it's a coincidence that this virus started at this cruel wet market. I don't even know how they call it, but this cruel market in China where they were killing animals, bats, dogs, all kind of wild animals in front of people, and seafood and everything, and it was just awful. And I think it's no coincidence that in this market this virus started, and I really know that at least now we have this time and space to let nature breathe, and we're so connected. We're all so connected to nature because we are the elements. We are 70% water, and so is the world, 70% water. And I'm really excited to deepen my connection to the earth, to remove the superhero outfit I was trying to put every day. Every day I'd wake up and have this male conditioning in my head that I had to do something, achieve something, and so disconnected from nature, so disconnected from my feelings, so disconnected from who I am for real, which is someone deeply connected to my simple nature, someone who doesn't need to go buy something to make me feel good, to make me look good, someone who doesn't need to please others, someone who doesn't need to do anything. I can just be in a state of being with myself. So I really think it's time to remove this superhero male costume of trying to be someone we're not, of trying to achieve power, money, or whatever, an ambition for something that's not real, and come back to our simple, essential nature, to come back to the knowledge that women have of how to take care of the planet. Come back to simple things like having joy in cooking, having our own garden, or talking to animals, talking to plants. They have so much wisdom, so much intelligence. Tap into their consciousness, tap into our bodies as a stargate to other dimensions, to other beings. I am so blessed, and I am so excited for this new type of society we are about to create. Thank you.